Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. Broadly speaking, this weekend is a mixture of sunshine and showers, but I suspect most places will have a fine day on Saturday, so more sunshine then. On Sunday, some of the showers are going to turn into fairly heavy downpours, and there's a Met Office yellow warning in place for that. What's going on? Well, it is fairly complicated. This weather front is weakening across the UK, but it's joined by another one, and this one gives the forward one a bit of a kick, more particularly so on Sunday, and that boosts the amount of rainfall it starts to produce once more. For the time being, though, that weather front is fizzling out. It's been bringing quite a wet scene across western Scotland through Friday. That rain transfers to eastern Scotland, so a damp evening across Aberdeenshire. The odd shower across westernmost parts of England and Wales, but for many it's a dry night. It's turning quite misty and murky through parts of eastern England. Clearer skies in the northwest once that rain front moves through will allow it to turn a little chilly down to single figures, well down into single figures in rural areas, but for most we're in double digits and many urban areas will remain in the teens. On to Saturday, we start damp across northeast Scotland. That rain slowly fizzles out. The odd shower and a lot of cloud over parts of northern England, West Wales and the far southwest. But again, many places will be dry and bright. Mist and fog could take a while to clear. And then in this zone, across the Midlands, parts of southern England, Wales, up towards Lincolnshire, there is the threat of one or two scattered afternoon showers. We may see the cloud increasing across Northern Ireland once more, but I say for many it'll stay dry, there'll be bright or sunny spells, and the winds remaining light. So in that sunshine, there's still a bit of power to it, feeling quite pleasant with temperatures widely up into the low 20s, certainly across England and Wales. A little cooler for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, but still 18, 19 likely here. During Saturday evening, still the threat of one or two showers over central areas, but that first weather front kind of gets reactivated. So we start to see some heavier bursts of rain developing, and then perhaps joined by further showery rain coming up from the southeast. So Sunday's a bit of a mess. The second weather front bringing some rain into the west, and then that first one bringing heavier rain over parts of the Midlands and slowly working into parts of eastern England and eastern Scotland. Some uncertainty about the progress and the intensity of the rain, but the potential, especially on Sunday afternoon across these eastern areas, for some heavy showers and some thunderstorms. So that's where we have the Met Office weather warning in place. As skies brighten further west, temperatures could again climb up to 19, 20 degrees. And before the wet weather arrives over East Anglia, we could get up to the low 20s. But generally with more cloud on Sunday, it won't be as warm, high teens for most. As I said, though, we do have that Met Office yellow warning in place from Sunday afternoon right the way through to Sunday nights. Met Office yellow warning in place for rainfall. Now, not everywhere in this zone will see those torrential downpours, but certainly there is the scope. We will fine-tune that warning as we get closer to the time. So make sure you stay up to date with the very latest throughout this weekend. Best way to do that, download the app or, of course, follow us across social media.